Let's do another example of the chain rule. This problem says to find the equation for the tangent line to the graph of y equals x times the quantity square root 2x plus 3 at the point 3, 9. When we're asking for the tangent line, we need the slope. And to find the slope, we just find the derivative at this point of 3, 9. We just find the slope at the point 3, 9. So I need to find the derivative of the function x times 2x plus 3 raised to the 1/2. I'm going to write it with 1/2 in the exponent instead of square root to make it easier to find the derivative. Now looking at this is going to be the product rule, but along with the product rule, we need the chain rule for that second term. The derivative of this function is going to be the first times the derivative of the second. And this is where the chain rule is going to come in. To find the chain rule, first we want to multiply by the derivative of the inside. The derivative of the inside of the parentheses is just going to be 2. Then we want to do the derivative of the outside. To do that, the 1/2 is going to come out front. Then the inside is going to stay the exact same. And then I'll subtract 1 from that exponent. And when I subtract 1, I'll do it as 2/2 since we're dealing with fractions. This is going to be negative 1/2. That's just the first part of the product rule. So the first times the derivative of the second plus the second, which is just the 2x plus 3 raised to the 1/2 times the derivative of the first. Well, the derivative of x is just 1. Now, we can clean this up just a little bit, but not very much. So the 2's divide out. So I get x times the quantity 2x plus 3 raised to the negative 1/2 plus 2x plus 3 raised to the 1/2. So this is the derivative, but we can't stop there because this is asking for the equation of the tangent line. To find the equation of the tangent line, we first need the slope at the point x equals 3. So I'm going to plug in 3 into my equation for the derivative. Now, I did this before, so the answer is going to be 4. This is the slope. But I did want to show you one thing. The first is that the function is that black line, and the derivative is the red line. So it's great to look at the graph. But the nice thing about Desmos is we can put in the function, and then it will find the value of the derivative at a certain point. For example, you'll see that right here I've put in the function. I've defined it as f of x. Then I defined that h of x is going to be the derivative of f of x. And then I can put in h of 3. So the h function is the derivative function. When I put in 3, I get 4, which is exactly what I calculated here. All right, now I just need to write the equation of a line. We just need 3 things to write an equation of a line. We need the slope, and we need an x value, and we need a y value. So this will be y minus 9 equals the slope times x minus 3. Or if you really want, you can write this in slope-intercept form. So this will be y equals 4x minus 3. All right, there you go.